Alright, be honest, you've definitely Googled how to get rich fast at 2:47 in the morning. At least once in your life. And here's the wild part. 2026 is actually the first year where making money online is finally not stupid complicated, but also not as easy as the fake gurus promised you.
Hold on, I think I just made my first fans thanks to this book.
Let's talk about how real people are going to make money in 2026. No scams, no crypto pumps, no selling your left kidney on the dark web. Most people fail because they start way too big. They try to build a full business with zero experience, like bro. Why are you trying to build a whole SaaS company when you haven't even made one simple digital product yet? Here's rule number 1 for 2026. Start with something small, digital, simple, and stupidly easy to finish. Then scale from there. Think of online income like a video game. You don't spawn with legendary armor, you start with a wooden spoon and a dream.
This is the life. When you learn to make money from anywhere, everything changes.
Now let's get into the 3 real ways people will make money in 2026. Number 1, digital products, ebooks, templates, cheat sheets, starter kits, mini courses. You make it once and AI helps you make it 5 times faster. You don't need to be a genius. You just need to know one thing that someone else doesn't. If you can fix Wi-Fi, congratulations, you're already smarter than half the planet. Number 2, AI-assisted freelancing. People aren't hiring workers anymore, they're hiring one person, plus AI.
This book changed everything for me, and trust me, Levsis, it can do the same for you.
You offer short-form video editing, scripts, captions, product descriptions, simple design, basic websites, or small automations. AI does the heavy lifting, you make it look human, just like school. Except this time you actually get paid. Number 3, content plus a simple funnel. If you post valuable videos with a bit of humor, and you link that to a digital product, a guide, or an offer, you basically create a 24/7 money machine. Yes, you can make money while you're in the shower. No, that does not make you a passive income Andrew Tate. Relax. Now, the real reason most people fail isn't because it's hard, it's because they never give themselves enough time to suck at it first. The "I have no idea what I'm doing" phase is normal. What's not normal is quitting after 4 days. You wouldn't go to the gym once and expect abs. So why expect day 1 success online? Here's the simplest possible plan. Step 1, pick something small you want to sell. Step 2, make a tiny, simple version of it. Step 3, post short content about it. Step 4, improve as you go. Step 5, repeat until it works. That is literally how every modern creator makes money today. And yes, I broke down everything in a beginner-friendly guide. If you want to go deeper, but even if you never buy anything from me, just start something this week. Small, simple, AI-assisted. In the future, you will be proud. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.
Lamborghini saying pretty bitches prettier, yes, she's a model. I got money in my pocket, money coming by the Trello. Gave you everything you wanted, then you started acting childish. I get money in abundance. Hey, these bitches need me like feed me, they greedy. Don't care about me, just my chains and my VV. I got a